What is good, y'all? We back with another installation video. Today we be doing the back skirts. I got the homie Jacob over here. Say what's good.
It was good.
But he's not energetic today. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how to do the back skirts. Let me go grab the product and show you what it is. All right, I just got it. This is the side skirt that goes on the back ends of the car. Just, you know, like a side, it's like a, sorry, back skirt or splat guards, something like both of those. We're gonna do side skirts eventually and a front lip. But today we're gonna be installing this, and I already did some on the right side, so let me show you how to do it on the left side. It's pretty much the same thing. All right, so first things first, all you gotta do is take out these pop clips. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're gonna install the side skirts. Let me do it. All right, after that, when you take it out, all you gotta do is put the included screw, nut, and screws in front. 1, 2, and I'm gonna do the back 2, because this middle one's kind of hard to put in, but there's like 2 back here, and then 2 up here. Yeah. And it should line up with the back skirt. All right, after that, and then all the nuts are screwed. I mean, no, the bolts are screwed. Go ahead and line up the splat guard slash back skirts or whatever, and then bolt them in. And you can use a heat gun if they're not molded to your car. And then let me go ahead and do that and show you after. All right, so after you put the bolts back into these back 2, put the pop clip right here. And the nuts for these 2, and then just go ahead and tighten them down. All right, so after you put those 2 in and these back 2, put that push back clip back in. That's the whole installation. Here's the left side. Here's the right side. And this is what it looks like with the whole car. It's like little wings. No, but it's like the little spikes. It looks really clean on the side profile. All right, so I mean, about a couple of days, I'm about to do the shark fin vortex generator or something, same thing, and then I'm gonna cut back to that. So, and welcome back to a couple days later. My shark fin vortex generator just came. We got Timmy.
Yup.
Yeah, he gotta put on a shirt, bro. You know, and we got Lily from the last clip. You know what I'm talking about. So all we can do is put it on today, and I'm gonna show you how to install the whole process from start to finish in a time lapse slash cuts. So that's pretty much the whole process. Y'all just watched it. All you gotta do is peel the tape off and then line it up after you cleaned it. And you saw Lily and Timmy help. So now I'm finna go get a car wash, and I'm gonna show you all the cinematics, bro. So let's start.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 맘을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼 바보 같은.
Yo, what's up, y'all? Sorry that I couldn't film a proper outro. Pretty much after the whole car wash, we were all just hanging out, and I didn't want to pull out the camera pretty much. But that was pretty much the whole install for today's vid. Sorry, I've been out for like 2 weeks. You know, car payments, school, work, and then waiting for the stuff to ship. So it kind of takes a little bit, but hopefully I can get another thing by hopefully next week or in a week and a half maybe. But I'll catch y'all next time with another video. Just make sure to go down, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so when I get new videos, and just, you know, just help your boy out. And I just tune in, hopefully weekly eventually, or soon, for weekly videos.